Hello and welcome to another Advanced Rheumatology Anti-Inflammatory cooking class. I am your host, Rosemary Altemus, on-site nutrition counselor. Today we are preparing chocolate avocado mousse. Let's begin. We're going to start off with 4 very ripe avocados. So a lot of people ask me, how do you know that an avocado is ripe? What you want to do is you want to look where the I guess it's the core, and it's going to be brown. If you take off the seed that's there, it's going to look brown. And that's going to ensure when you feel the avocado, it's going to have a little give to it as well. You're not going to be able to put your finger through it, okay? So we're going to start with 4 very large avocados, ripe ones. And we're going to cut them in half, and we're going to take the pit out, show you exactly what a good avocado looks like. So you can see the flesh is green all the way around, and we're going to remove the pit. Just a little bit feisty there, okay? This one's a little riper, but the riper the better because we're going to be making, a pudding with it. So you wouldn't want it to be black. Avocados are a great fat for you. When we do our 30-day detox, you can have half of an avocado every day. You can put it in smoothies if you don't like the consistency. Some people don't like the consistency of avocados. You can make guacamole with it. That's also allowed on the program. That's a beautiful one there. Okay, now we're just going to take the avocados that we've halved and we're going to put them in the food processor. This is a very simple recipe. You will trick everyone. And also, it's best chilled. So you want to make it ahead of time. I have a lot of people who make it and make like a parfait with it. They'll put it and then they'll make like a coconut whipped cream. Or you can buy coconut whipped cream right now if you want to make it non-dairy or regular whipped cream. This one was probably really ripe if you could see how easily it went out. This will all mix together, but the riper the better. A lot of people say, what do I do with my ripe avocado? You can make a mousse with it like a pudding. A couple more here. Avocados are actually a fruit. They're not a vegetable. Everybody thinks they're a vegetable. They're a fruit. They're considered a fruit. Okay, finish that up. So how easy this recipe is, it's like you're going to put everything in here together, and then we're going to mix it all up. The next ingredient is 1/2 cup of cocoa powder. I have an organic cocoa powder. It's dark. And we're going to put 1/2 cup in here. You can just eye it up. Okay. Next ingredient is 1/2 cup of almond milk. You could use coconut milk if you wanted to also, or cashew milk if you wanted to. Any kind of nut milk if you want to make it non-dairy. Okay, 4 tablespoons of maple syrup. So this is just organic. Maple syrup is fine for you. It's low on the glycemic index. We're going to use 4 tablespoons. If you like it sweeter, you can probably add a little more. Another tablespoon if you want it a little sweeter. One more. Okay. And 2 teaspoons of vanilla extract. I believe that the almond milk I use, they make a vanilla one that's non-sweetened. And you could use that too to help vanilla flavor. Also a pinch of sea salt. We have a little bit of the pink Himalayan. We're just going to add a pinch to that. Salt brings out the flavor of all food, especially chocolate. Okay. We're going to plug this in. Just keep on blending until you don't have the lumps in it anymore. It could take up to 2 minutes. Okay, I'm going to scrape down the sides. Getting a very good consistency like pudding would be. But I do see a little bit of green in there. If your avocados aren't quite ripe enough, it takes a little more blending. So we'll blend this a little bit more, but it can take up to 2 minutes to blend it to completion. Okay, I'm going to turn this on. Okay, let's take a look now. Gets a little bit lighter in color. As I said before, you're going to want to cool it. You're going to want to chill it in the refrigerator. And that is just how easy it is to make a chocolate mousse with avocados and a few ingredients. Going to serve some up here. You could top it, like I say, with some whipped cream or coconut cream. Serving size would depend on how big your avocados are, but I would say you probably have at least three cups or 4. Today, we prepared chocolate avocado mousse. This is a quick and easy as well as healthy snack. We added some fresh fruit, or you could put some whipped cream on too. This recipe can be found on our website, advancedrheumatology.net. Remember to like us on Facebook and tick the subscribe button on the YouTube channel for alerts of new videos. Remember, a healthy outside starts from the inside.